Are your survey results truly accurate? Discover how to ensure statistical validity and make informed decisions with our expert guide. Before we dive in, subscribe to Market Research Guru for more insights into conducting accurate and impactful research. Determining the right sample size is crucial for survey accuracy as it directly impacts the statistical significance of your findings. A larger sample size generally increases the chances that your results will be statistically significant, providing a more reliable representation of your target population. For medical or market research, ensuring responses represent your population is vital for accurate predictions, saving time and money. Several key factors influence the determination of an appropriate sample size, ensuring your research yields meaningful results. Population size, the total number of individuals in your study group, is a primary consideration, especially for smaller, easy-to-measure populations. The margin of error, typically plus or minus 3% to plus or minus 5%, defines the acceptable range for survey results to differ from the actual population value. A smaller margin of error provides more precise results, but necessitates a larger sample size for accuracy. Confidence level indicates how sure you are that the true population parameter lies within the margin of error, with 95% being the industry standard. Higher confidence levels, such as 99%, require larger sample sizes to achieve the desired certainty. Population variability also plays a role. More diverse populations with smaller effect sizes demand larger samples for precision. Finally, sampling design influences the required sample size, with methods like stratified sampling potentially reducing the necessary number of respondents. A sample size calculator, like the one offered by Market Research Guru, helps determine the ideal number of respondents for your study. To use it, first identify your population size. If unknown, a default of 20,000 is a good starting point. Next, set your confidence level, with 95% being the industry standard, and determine your acceptable margin of error, typically 3% to 5%. Estimate the response distribution for each question, using 50% if unsure, as this yields the largest sample size. Finally, the calculator computes the minimum number of samples needed to meet your desired statistical constraints. To ensure actionable insights, use direct language, offer mutually exclusive response options, and ask one question at a time. Avoid jargon, provide clear instructions, and always test your survey with colleagues for clarity and ease of response. Avoid common mistakes like population-specific errors, sample frame errors, and selection errors to maintain data integrity. Also, steer clear of non-response errors, loaded questions, leading words, and non-exhaustive listings in your survey design. Enhancing statistical validity requires appropriate analysis methods, proper randomization, and sufficient data with the right statistical approach. Combining statistical validity with construct, content, and criterion validity is essential for drawing robust and reliable conclusions. By mastering these concepts and utilizing tools like marketresearch.guru's free sample size calculator, you can achieve reliable and statistically significant survey results. Visit Market Research Guru today to access our free sample size calculator and elevate your research. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights.